Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. I am Teacher JM and today we're going to discuss about English 3 4th quarter week 5.
So let's learn new things today. Are you ready? That's great!
Our topic this week is all about informational text. First, let's read the objective. In this lesson, you are expected to restate facts on climate change, children's rights, and traffic safety from informational text. Before we start, let's define the given word. What is informational text? Informational texts are factual information about specific topics that are conveyed to the readers in different forms. Authors of informational text employ a variety of structures to assist readers in finding information quickly and efficiently. Now, let's read the passage carefully. Are you ready? Awesome! Road safety is the protection and prevention of road accidents by following all the road safety measures. It is very important to know the traffic lights and signals. Traffic lights and signals for pedestrians should be observed. Red man light means do not cross. If you see it, you should not walk. Green man light means you are safe to cross the pedestrian and you can walk. In traffic signals, red means stop. When the signal turns red, all vehicles have to stop. Green means go. When the signal turns green, vehicles should move. Yellow means slow down. When the signal turns yellow, vehicles should slow down. Now, from the passage that we read, we are going to restate the paragraphs in 5 sentences. Are you ready? Let's start. Here are the sample sentences that we can write about the paragraph that we read a while ago. Number 1. Road signals are important so we can be safe. Number 2. We should observe traffic lights and signals carefully. Number 3. Red man light means we can cross the pedestrian, while green man light means we can cross. Fourth, in traffic signals, red means the vehicles must stop and green means they can go. And number 5, when the traffic signal is yellow, that means the vehicles must slow down. Now, let's do this. Fill in the bubble map with the restated facts about the child's right from the informational text in the next slide. Are you ready? Let's start. First, let's read the passage below. Do you know your rights? Every child has rights. As an important part of the society, you should be loved and taken care of. As a child, you should know and value your rights. The first right that you should know is the right to be born and be given a name. It is also your right to become part of a family that will love and take care of you. Your family should provide your needs such as clothing, foods, and shelter. You should also be protected from danger. It is also your right to be educated. Now that you know your rights, do you enjoy these rights? Now, after reading the passage about child's right, we're going to fill in the bubble map. Are you ready? Let's start. What are the child's right? Right to be born and be given a name. Correct. Next, right to be protected from danger. Right to be provided with your needs. Right to become part of a family that will love and take care of you. And right to be educated. Restating a fact is a means of expressing or stating original ideas using your own words. In effect, it can change the structure of the sentence by either making it shorter or longer. Restating can be done in varied ways. Some of the ways to restate is by paraphrasing and summarizing. Restating usually draws information from an existing information or details. This is known as informational text, which is in the form of a story, a passage, an article, or a news. These informational texts are factual. Now, let's do this. Complete the paragraph by selecting your answers from the choices inside the box. Are you ready? Great! Now, are you ready to check your answer? Good, let's start. Number 1. Restating is a means of expressing or stating defined facts or ideas by using your own words. In effect, it can change the number 2 structure of the sentence by either making it shorter or longer. It can be done in varied ways. Some of the ways to restate is by number 3 and 4 can exchange, paraphrasing, and summarizing. Restating usually draws information from an already existing information or details, and this is known as number 5, informational text, in the form of story, passage, article, or news. These informational texts are all factual, and if used for restating, same message should be expressed, though words and structure are different. There you go! I hope that you learn a lot about our topic for today in fourth quarter week 5. It's all about informational text.
Thank you for watching. This is Teacher JM, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. You can also support our YouTube channel by clicking like button, sharing this video, and putting a comment for the content that you want us to cover. Again, thank you and see you next video.